Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Programming Hub. Today we are going to discuss a topic which is related to my previous topic which I have explained in my previous video on the topic of the reversing of the number 3-digit number. Okay, today there is a different kind of topic but based on the same concept. Today using the reversing concept we are going to add the 3-digit numbers numeric number with each other. Like suppose you have an example like you type the number 123. Now we have to add these number 1 plus 2 plus 3. So this kind of topic we are going to do today. Okay, so I have already made it up, so let's open it. Okay, as you can see on the screen, this is the whole program which I am going to explain today. Write a program to find the sum of the three digit number. For example, 1 2 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, so how to write this program inside the C programming system. Okay, so first of all, as you can see on your screen is the comment line which is going to tell the user for what all the reason this program is all about. Okay, after that these both are the library functions hash include studio.h and conio.h, standard input output and console input output header file. Okay, and after that there's a main function. Here I have written void main and then brackets. I do not have passed any written value and any argument inside this main function. Okay, and after that here is an opening curly brace, and inside the main function the first statement is integer data type. I have passed here integer data type, and inside that data type I have passed here three variables: no, which stands for number; rv stands for reverse; and sum is equal to 0. I have assigned 0 value to my sum variable. Okay, after that here is a clear screen command. Okay, clear screen command used so that we do not get any previous results in the output section. Okay, after that here's the printf statement. Printf enter any number. This tells the user to write any number in the output section. So to write the value from the output section, I have used scanf function. Scanf %d and no, means whatever the value user write is assigned in the no variable, number variable. Okay, after that here's the while loop and starting while no is greater than 0. Okay, here the condition is first of all check that whether whatever the number user have typed is greater than 0 or not. If it is satisfied, then and then only system enters inside the loop. Here is a loop, this whole is a loop. Okay, now what happens inside the loop? First of all, rev is variable which is equal to number modulo 10. Means suppose you are writing that number 123. Okay, now when you modulo means the remainder of whatever remainder we get when we divide any number with different certain value. Now suppose you are dividing 123 with the 10, and whatever the remainder we get is 3. Okay, now that 3 number is assigned to the variable rev. Okay, now what happened here is the second statement is sum is equal to sum plus rev. Now here the value of sum we have already given that sum is equal to 0, means here we are updating the value of sum is equal to 0 plus value of rev. What is the value of rev? Is the 3, the variable of our last variable of our any digit. Whatever you type any digit. Okay, you type any of the digit you want, 3 digit or 4 digit in the output section. So the and term and variable or and numeric value is the is written inside in the rev section. Okay, then it is assigned to the variable sum. Okay, now again number is equal to number divided by 10. Now what is the number divided by 10? Now there suppose there is a 123 number. When you divide 123 by 10, whatever you got in the division section in the upper section, that is called the number that is called number divided by 10. Okay, now suppose you are dividing 123 by 10, then the division section is 1 to 12. Okay, so we are now remaining with the 12 number, which is except of the value which we have used earlier, the 3 value. Okay, now again that 12 value is checked here whether number means 12 is greater than 0 or not. If it is yes, if it is true, then again this cycle continues, and again the value is get decreasing, and at last all the terms here separately add with each other. Means suppose here second time the value of sum is equal to first value is 3 plus second 2 means 5. In this way the value is again and again updating itself, and at the last when the conditions are over, when the number is less than 0, okay, then this condition then this loop become false, and the system comes out of the loop and print the value of some percentage d comma sum. Means here the whatever the sum last value of sum is here updated is going to show us in the output section in the print due to the printf statement. Okay, and at the last here the gtch statement and closing curly brace of the main function. Now I'm just going to run this program, see what happens inside the output section. Okay, so control F9 is the shortcut key for running the program. Here the system first of all asks me to enter any value, so I am writing 567, so enter, and we get 18, means 5 plus 6 plus 7 is 18. Okay, but inside the system how the system adds its 7 plus 6 plus 5 means in the reverse way. From the backward value system is going to add these values. Mean first of all the last value is going to be added, and then other values are going to be added inside that value. Okay, now again I'm once time, okay, control F9, and again the system asks me to write in here. This time I'm writing 4-digit value. See, let's see what happened. Okay, 6789, enter. So the addition of these four numbers is 30. I'm not going to add this because my system is correct, as our program is all correct. That's why I have confidence on my program. Okay, so this is all about how to find the sum of the any 3-digit or 4-digit number inside the system. If you have a large value, then you can use long integer data type instead of int data type. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my this video, and sure to like, subscribe and share in my YouTube channel. And now I'm just exiting from my Turbo C software, and the shortcut key for that is Alt X. Okay guys, thank you, bye.